Hey everybody, I'm Bacon Ninja. Welcome to DadBod RC. This is the first ever video that I'm going to kind of film in a vlog style, I suppose. I've been flying for 2 months now, mostly 5-inch quads. I have a little bit of a 4-inch long range thing going too, but mostly 5-inch quads. Anyway, I'm out at the spot today. It's on Saturday. I normally try to fly Saturdays, but normally in the mornings, and today it's an afternoon flight. So it's hotter than crap. That's okay. It's a little bit breezy. It'll be fine. So this spot is just about worn out for me. I've flown pretty much everything there is to fly here, but there's a couple things I have left. So let me show you. So the one thing I feel like I've really missed out on in this spot is the use of pavilions, like the one behind me there. There's 3 of them here. And I really feel like I have missed out entirely on power looping them. So today, we're going to try to power loop that one behind me there. I will not leave until I power looped it, or I'm out of batteries. One of those 2 things is going to happen today. So we'll see which one it is. Which one comes first, huh? Anyway, I'm going to unpack my bag, and then we're going to get to ripping. Alright, well, I got all the gear out. I'm gonna rip a pack. Let's get warmed up. Let's do this. I attempted, and you probably saw, the power loop over the pavilion, and I had to bail in the middle. So I'm going to spend the next couple of packs doing a couple power loops in the trees like I usually do, and try to get a feel for that. And then we're going to move on to doing the pavilion. And before the end of the day, I will have power looped this pavilion. And then I think this spot is just done for me, honestly. I think I'm going to have to go find somewhere else more complicated to fly, because I just keep finding myself in the same routine here. And I've flown it for, this is my 8th week flying this spot. So I think it's about time to pick it up, pack on, and find something bigger and better. But first, we're going to get the power loop through the pavilion for sure. Well, that's what happens when you try, right? You can't learn anything unless you push yourself, so go pick this thing up. I never use turtle mode. It's just not a thing I've tried. I never ever turtle mode my quads. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's fine. I bet a prop. We have one bent prop and a bent antenna. But that's it. So, not too shabby. Bend that sucker back. Get right back to that. that was pack 4. That was pack 4 for the day. I have 3 packs left, so I'm just going to screw around. I'm just going to rip 3 more packs randomly and see what happens. And you guys can come with me. Alright, well that's all the batteries I brought today. I ran 7 packs through the CL1 5-inch, and then I ran 3 packs through my Novice 4, which the packs on the Novice 4, I normally get like 5 minutes. I ripped those actually pretty hard, a lot harder than I should for a little bitty toothpick frame like that. I have broken arms in the past doing that kind of thing. But hey, that's what it's for, right? So I have extra arms, even though they're a huge pain in the ass to put on, and they come all the way from China with Banggood. I have extras, so when I inevitably break one, I have it to put on. But no, I ripped that way harder than I should. Anyway, so that's it for Saturday's session. I don't know if I'm going to get flights in tomorrow. It's supposed to rain on Sunday. I like to get maybe a golden hour flight in on Sunday. So if it's in this video, you know it happened. If not, you know it didn't. So either way, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Sunday, and I decided to fly after all. Of course, it's not a evening flight, it's a morning flight again. Got some other stuff to do, but they did take the rain chance out for this morning, so I do get to fly after all. I went and found me a new spot today, and you're not going to see it. Not in this vlog anyway. There may be a separate video, maybe, it depends on how it goes today, if I don't break everything I own. There may be a separate video. If there is, you'll see it on my channel, so definitely check it out. Thank you everybody for sticking in to the end of the vlog. I really appreciate it. If you like this format, let me know, and I'll do it more often. It's been kind of fun to shoot it this way. I kind of enjoyed it, and if you did too, I'll make it a thing. But you got to let me know in the comments what you think of it. Definitely do that. But anyway, thank you everybody again for watching, and until next time, I will catch you later.